Say hi, everyone. Alright, hello everyone, and welcome to video 14, 15. We are in a book in the Elephant and Piggie series, huh, bud? So we're gonna have fun. We're gonna read this book. Ready? Alright. We are in a book. Elephant and Piggie are kind of sleeping. Say thank you. Oh, you want a book? You want a separate book while you're doing this? No? This one? No. Oh, you want your pop-up book? Want your pop-up book too? Yeah? Noah likes pop-up books. I think it's just I don't know. I don't know what it is, but anyway, we got this, and we got a little bit of a video playing in the background. We'll see how it goes, okay? We're going to start over, okay? We are in a book. So Elephant and Piggie are sleeping. But Piggie says, thank you. Elephant's like, what? Piggie? Yes, Gerald? I think someone is looking at us. They look confused. Oh! Piggy's coming right at us. Look at Piggy's coming right at us, bud. Someone is looking at us, Piggy says. Who is looking at us? Elephant says. A monster? No. It is a reader, Piggy says. A reader is reading us. How is a reader reading us? Elephant asks. The reader is reading these word bubbles. These word bubbles? We are in a book, Piggy says. We are in a book, Elephant says. Or asks. That is so cool, Elephant says. And it made Piggy go flying. We are in a book. We are in a book. We are being read. We are being read, Elephant says. Oh, I have a good idea, Piggy says. I know, you're going to read it after. I can make the reader say a word, Piggy says. You can make the reader say a word? Elephant said. I can. If the reader reads out loud, which I'm doing right now. That is a good idea, Elephant says. That is a funny idea, Elephant says. Here I go, Piggy says. Banana. Piggy just made me say banana. They're having a good old time. Did you hear that? Elephant asked. The reader said, banana. They're having a good old time. Oh, the reader said it again. Hey, you got my shirt there, bud. Banana. So funny. Do you want to turn, Piggy asked, before the book ends? Ends? Elephant asked. The book ends? Yes, all books end. When will the book end? Elephant asks. Piggy says, I will look. Page 57, Piggy says. Page 57? It is page 46 now. Eek! Now it is page 47. This book is going too fast, Elephant says. I have more to give. More words, more jokes, more bananas. I just want to be read. I have a good idea, Piggy says. What do you think the good idea is? Whisper, whisper. Piggy's whispering to Elephant. That is a good idea, Elephant says. I know. Hello? Will you please read us again? Elephant asks. I hope this works. Me too, Piggy says. That's kind of funny. He wants us to read it again so that they don't get lonely. Yeah, you want to read it now? You've already read it once. But then I read it again. Was it a good book? It's a good book. I highly recommend it. Say bye. Say bye. All right. See you next time.